Hello everyone, welcome to Urban. This is Sunny. I'm so glad to introduce our LED tubular with architectural series for you today. When it comes to architectural lighting, the aesthetics and design is very necessary. We need to make people feel comfortable and professional in any space. This is also our core purpose. So we provide three kinds of tubular lightings for you: a reflectable tubular, louver tubular, and transparency tubular. First one, reflector tubular, TI-17RP. This is the most popular product of our architectural series family. Look at this built-in reflector. It can protect your eyes. It's very comfortable for you to read, so you can install it in office and schools and so on. We have two colors for you to choose, such as black and silver. The next one is louver tubular. We have two types: longitudinal louver and inclined louver. Look at this one, longitudinal tubular. Because of this special design, it can illuminate every corner of spaces. You can install it in conference rooms, office, hospitals, and so on. Look at this inclined louver. It offers optical transparency and reflection. It can avoid the direct light to your eyes, protect your eyes, and at the same time illuminate your path well. It's perfect for corridors and passageways. This two lights, we both have three colors for you: black, silver, and golden. The last one, transparency tubular. It has transparent housing and inner milky diffuser. It can provide comfortable lighting and visual aesthetics. It has large beam angle. The light is uniform. You can use it in many open space. It's very good for your eyes. You can install it in such as conference rooms, showrooms, hospitals, stores, and so on. At the same time, easy maintenance and installation are our product features. The openable end cap, you can access the gear tree easily, and the LED modular, you can replace the driver as you want. These are our architectural lightings. If you have any interest, please don't hesitate to contact us. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye bye.